Meaning of eulogy.
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 Eulogy. A eulogy is a speech or piece of writing that praises and celebrates the life of someone who has died. It is usually delivered at a funeral or memorial service by a close friend, family member, or clergy. The purpose of a eulogy is to honor the deceased, share memories, and express gratitude for their life. Eulogies often include personal anecdotes, reflections on the person's character and achievements, and words of comfort for the surviving family and friends. Overall, a eulogy serves as a final tribute to a loved one and helps those left behind find closure in peace.